Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to pay off your Discover credit card bill through a desktop or a computer. So let's go ahead and log on here. So when I get logged on the computer, it brings me to this as my home screen because I also have an online savings account through Discover. But I'm going to go ahead and click on my Discover credit card right there. And this is going to bring me to my credit card homepage, which is probably what yours looks like. And right here you can see I have a balance of $302 I need to pay off. So I got to get that paid off. Even though it's trying to trick me and say no payment is due. You know, that's one thing credit card companies are trying to do, collect that interest because you're not paying on time. And if you just simply scroll down on the home page, you'll see all your past purchases right here, and it's just a list. And you can go to your previous statement, load more activity. But right there, anyway, to pay off that 302, just simply click right here, make payment. And then from there, it gives you options. You can customize how much you want to pay. You can do a minimum payment, which I don't even know what the point of that is. You should stay on top of your credit card bill. I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. Your statement balance, which is your last statement, or your total current balance, which is just what I recommend you do. And then down here, you can pick your payment source. I only have one. If you need to add a new bank account or something else, you can just click right there, update bank accounts, and then you can obviously pick the day you want it to pay off or transfer, and I'm just doing today. So then all you do is click continue. I'm just going to give you verify, obviously. Yep, awesome, and then just hit confirm. There you go. And since it's late at night, that's going to be scheduled and go through probably tomorrow. So then right there you can print a confirmation. So I hope that made it easy for you guys to pay your Discover credit card bill through the computer. Thanks for watching. If you need any simple help for your Discover credit card or maybe your Discover savings account, let me know. I'll try and make a video for you. Just the bare minimum simple tasks that you might be struggling with. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.